NDA เป็นกะจิงtheologia in ken jong hu class 12 zo pen chu aim jong kan nei chat lawa NDA pen chu ke aim hi ya NDA second hu la ya chu second plan jong ka nei chat lawa hu ja bange NDA ka ching lawa pat jong ka bol di jong ka thei chat lawa science ka mola hi wanga science stream sunga bange kala di pen jong hoi do ka plan no mo ka plan chu NDA pen ka ching dinga ka ki kwai ya hi wanga by God's grace ka ching khalo remaining and then DU ka mo apply ha hula ya ka u pen jong ka u Kelvin pen Delhi ya ya Usia ken song DU ka mo apply di mo ka ti top ya hi ka apply in hi wanga ka marks pen ching chat law mo DU di Usia Shillong ma St Anthony's College khat ya hu pe huta admission ka ba bolin mathematics honors class ya mo hula ya science stream ke ka subject nop ka sa pe tu mathematics ya chemistry bio civil pen ke adi ha mo ke kamat thei chat lo chemistry bio civil hu ya mathematics pen kamat thei pen admission ka ba bol so ma St Anthony sa hi wanga admission ka bol ka late seng mo because ke pen hulaya jong NDA kana bol tho NDA ka bol in DU jong ka apply hi wanga hulaya jong NDA jong kiching khalo and DU jong marks pen hoi seng lo mo hu ja last option St Anthony's ka pa ya St Anthony's ka pa ya jong admission late seng ka mo hulaya mathematics honors pen bangkim full ta and then hulaya jong bange subject ladi jong khathei chat lo because mathematics jong full and then advanced ka pa ya jong mathematics jong full hit and then last option Anthony sa ka pa pe kirin bange subject mo science stream adi bange kachin statistics khat ya open kanala me banglia kala no ka thei chat lo mo because who pen so bange aim nei dewa jong kala hello mo statistics pen ong me ja kala khain and then who pen jong kana bol to win by God's grace ki graduate zawa hita stream khat field khat in kamu mo ka ken jong kamu jong hello ya kham ka gel pen jong op kha jong ki college ka la ya op kha lam song ki thel